In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage columns in the group list within Google Workspace. This is a crucial skill for those who regularly use Google's suite of tools in a professional setting, as it allows for streamlined organization and efficient management of group lists. So let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. Upon arriving at the Google Workspace homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Admin Console. This step is key, as the Admin Console is where all administrative settings and configurations can be accessed and modified. Once you've clicked the Admin Console, you'll be prompted to log in. Here, use your business email credentials to sign in, ensuring that you have the appropriate permissions to manage groups within your organization. After entering your credentials, click Next to proceed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Google Apps menu, which is often represented by a grid of dots. Click on this menu to reveal a list of available applications and options. Next, locate and click the admin icon. The admin icon is your gateway to the various administrative tools provided by Google Workspace. Once you click the icon, you will be redirected to a dashboard where all administrative functions can be accessed. From the dashboard, navigate to the directory. The directory is an essential component of Google Workspace, as it houses all your organization's user and group information. Clicking on directory will present you with several options related to user and group management. Now choose the Groups option. Groups in Google Workspace allow for streamlined communication and collaboration among team members by bundling email addresses and facilitating information exchange. Clicking on Groups will take you to the Group Management page, where you can oversee existing groups or create new ones. Within the Groups page, look for and click on the gear icon. This icon is important because it will take you to the settings where you can manage the columns displayed in your group list. Configuring these columns properly ensures that you see the most pertinent information at a glance. Once in the settings, you will have the ability to manage the display of columns within your group list. Decide which pieces of information are most vital for your workflow and configure the columns accordingly. This customization allows you to tailor the workspace to better fit your organizational needs. Finally, after making all the necessary adjustments, remember to click on the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you've just made are applied and will be retained for future use. Clicking Save is a crucial final step to make sure your efforts are not lost. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and customize the columns in your group list within Google Workspace, enhancing both productivity and organization for your team. Thank you for watching, and feel free to return to this guide whenever you need a refresher.